everyone, I'm Eleanor and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a recipe from my free ebook, Eleanor's Vegan Lunchbox, which is filled with 12 delicious recipes, and you can get it on my website, veganeleanor.com. We're going to be making my chocolate chip cookies from my ebook today, and it's really easy and healthy, and it's gluten-free, vegan, refined sugar-free, and I really hope you love it. So let's get started. So you don't need very many ingredients for this recipe, and it's really easy. You basically just shove all the ingredients into the bowl, mix it up, and then stick it in the oven. So what we need is 1.5 cups of gluten-free oats. Now you can use regular oats if you're not gluten intolerant or celiac. Basically the only difference is where it's produced. The gluten-free oats are produced in an environment that doesn't have any gluten in. So if you are allergic, then please buy the gluten-free ones. If not, then just regular whole rolled oats are fine. You're also going to need 2 mashed bananas, so I've pre-mashed mine. 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of organic vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of whatever liquid sweetener you want. Today I'm using pure maple syrup. You need to make sure you're buying the pure one and not the one that has other sugars in. Other sweeteners that work well in this include date syrup or agave, but today I have in maple syrup, which is why I'm using that. So I'm just going to mix it all up. Now, as you can see, we have a rough cookie mixture, and I'm just going to stick that onto a baking sheet in little cookie cutters. So as you can see, I've laid out my baking sheet. I've got baking paper on it, and I'm going to use one of these. So as you can see, it's now a big circle, so that's great. And they're done! Oh, these look so good. And the room smells of cinnamon and chocolate. It's just amazing. So I'm going to let these cool for a bit, and then I am going to cook in. Yum! Oh, this looks amazing. So good. So good. Is it good?
That's absolutely delicious. Are they all mine?
Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get the full recipe and even more recipes, my ebook is absolutely free, and there is 12 recipes in there that are just as good as this. So head to veganeleanor.com and just click on free ebook and you can download it. And we'll see you next time. Don't forget, big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Okay?